In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Google Calendar notifications. If you want to make sure you never miss an upcoming meeting, reminder, or important event, turning on notifications in Google Calendar is a simple and very useful setting to enable. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the option and what to choose so your calendar can alert you directly on your computer. To get started, open Google Calendar in your web browser. Once the calendar page has fully loaded, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Go ahead and click that icon, and then from the menu that appears, click Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for your Google Calendar account, where you can control general preferences and notification behavior. After you're in the settings page, look over to the left-hand menu. Under the General section, find and click Notification Settings. This is where Google Calendar lets you decide how you want alerts to appear while you're using it on your computer. If you don't immediately see it, just make sure you're still inside the General Settings area since that's where this option is located. Once you open Notification Settings, look for the Notification Preference drop-down list. Click on it and choose Desktop Notifications. This setting tells Google Calendar to send pop-up alerts to your desktop, which can be especially helpful if you keep your browser open while working or studying. It's a convenient way to stay aware of upcoming events without having to constantly check your calendar manually. After selecting Desktop Notifications, your web browser may ask for permission to allow notifications from Google Calendar. If that permission request appears, make sure to allow it. This part is important because even if the calendar setting is turned on, notifications won't appear unless your browser also has permission to send them. If you accidentally block the request, you may need to go back into your browser's notification settings later and enable it there. And that's it. Once desktop notifications are enabled and permission is allowed in your browser, Google Calendar should be ready to send you alerts for your scheduled events. It's a quick setup, but it can make a big difference in helping you stay organized and on time.